Hi, I'm Chef JP Anglo. Today I'm excited to show you a gourmet dish you can easily do at home. A highly requested recipe from the Kitch community.
Pineapple stuffed lechon belly using Del Monte pineapple chunks and Del Monte crushed pineapple. Filipinos love the belly of a lechon. It's the best part, so why not stuff it with something exciting? First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. One by one, grill red onions, red bell peppers, onion leeks, Del Monte pineapple slices, and Del Monte pineapple chunks. Pineapples caramelize when seared. It gives a burst of sweetness to savory dishes. As you're grilling, you can add a little bit of salt just to counterbalance the sweetness of the pineapple. Grill garlic. Then, reserve the garlic oil as you will be using it to baste the lechon later on. Set aside all charred ingredients in individual bowls. Now for the meat. Prick the skin with a meat tenderizer or a paring knife and rub rock salt all over. This will absorb moisture and make the skin crispier. Then, flip the meat and rub salt and pepper on this side. Let's put the stuffing in. Meat side facing up. Put toasted coconut, grilled red onions, onion leeks, garlic cloves, red bell pepper, and pineapple chunks at the center. Season with black pepper. Leave enough space on the sides for rolling. Set aside any extra vegetables for garnishing later. Roll the meat and secure with a kitchen twine. To truss, loop, hook, and pull the twine repeatedly across the pork belly. Once you're done trussing, brush the skin with the reserved garlic oil. It's time to roast. Put the pork belly on a roasting pan with a rack. Place it inside the oven and roast for 2 to 3 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the oven. While that's cooking, let's make a sauce to go with the pork belly. In a bowl, combine fish sauce, soy sauce, finely chopped red onion, Del Monte red cane vinegar, coconut vinegar, minced coconut meat, grated coconut, sugar, chopped siling labuyo, and Del Monte crushed pineapple. Now let's go back to the meat. In the last 10 to 15 minutes, increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to make the skin crispier. When roasting, you'll need a thermometer to check for doneness. You'll know the pork belly is cooked once the temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's what we want. Look at that skin. It's the perfect color, and it looks so crispy. Let it cool for 15 minutes, then cut the twine. It's finally time to slice our lechon belly. Beautifully arrange it on a serving dish. Garnish with grilled garlic cloves, red bell peppers, onion leeks, toasted coconut, and grilled pineapple slices. If you want, you can even add more grilled pineapple chunks in the sauce. Before serving, give your lechon belly extra shine by brushing it with leftover garlic oil. And there you have it. Let's give it a try.
I'm really happy that all the hard work turned out really well. I discovered there's so many things you can do with pineapples. You can caramelize it, you can salt it. I'm proud and excited to share this with everyone.
That's how you make a pineapple stuffed lechon belly using Del Monte pineapple chunks and Del Monte crushed pineapples. I guarantee you it's worth the effort. With Del Monte Kitchenomics, cooking gourmet quality dishes is so much easier. Find this recipe on our website or through this link. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more unique recipes. Thank you mga ka-kitch and happy cooking!